Yo, we live. I think. Yes, sir. What's going on? What's going on? Let's get everybody in the cut. Let's get everybody in the cut. What is good? Straight Bulls today, bro. What's up, buddy? How you doing? How's everybody doing, man? Bulls came out to play today. Yeah, still in that 4-hour supply, though. NQ broke. Got a little retest level we could watch out for. VIX going towards a gap we made a while ago, still not filled. Got cooked. I took like a 2K loss this morning. I mean, we're still up a decent bit for the week. Decent bit for the week. Our Nvidia, man, shit's about to pay hard too. Better hit those 147s. What else we got? What else we got? Oh yeah, dude, I literally just said didn't want to give back any of my profits. The market's been crazy, dude. It has been absolutely insane. I don't know if y'all noticed how volatile it's been getting recently. Tesla gave us a lot back today. Let's go Tesla. Back up 22K. Never bet against Tesla. Just kidding. Just kidding. Account's locked. Watch and learn. Nice, brother. Smart, smart, smart. We're just going to try to... We need 1.38. So 1,380 schmeckles, and this will be complete. This will be complete, man. So let's see. Hopefully we get it done. I honestly didn't even think I'd get to 10K, 20K. It's pretty crazy. Honestly, from 10 to 20 it has not been that hard. 20 to 50, just going to double sides. The thing is, 20 to 50, I'm like, I shouldn't be playing 4 NQs, 4 yes, but I'm going to do it anyways. I'm going to do it anyways. Just as long as y'all know that I shouldn't be doing that. Thoughts on the Dom? I love the Dom, bro. Dom Trader, Dom Surface. What kind of Dom are you talking about here? Just the depth of market. I use the depth of market a lot. Qs and the ES are being looked at right now. Let's see that sell and bounce come up on the ES and the Qs. We're testing that shit back up with that volume. Now, I'm going to watch this floor here, right? Because we have from the Qs, it goes from like 504, the buy and balance at like these 92s. So not much really of a range, really breaking down beneath this to see. But Bulls obviously took control today. We just NQ broke through a pretty strong 4-hour level. And I mean, it comes back to this 90, so the retest should be around like down here, which I already kind of did, a little bit lower. Retest that on the way back up. I don't know. It would be nice. Started with 20K challenge. There was no risk management. There was no risk management, bro. I had to get it's basically from 1K to 10K. Well, the thing is, I gave myself a time limit. I did it in 3 days. My time limit was a week. So if I didn't give myself that much time, it definitely would have been easier. It would have taken a long time, just tiny risk, like fucking 1 micro ES at a time would have been doable. But it was heavy risk, man, just because it was basically impossible if I didn't do heavy risk. So basically my whole strat was I had to kind of wait for some decent A plus setups and just try to hit home runs. Basically, I was adding on to winners, kind of what I had to do. So if a position was going good, I saw us at Power Hour as well. I saw those massive moves, kind of like, previous couple Power Hours we have, which these massive moves. I just was adding on every time I saw more buyers and more sellers kind of get in the way, right? Kind of was the only way to do it. From like the first trade I hit was a lot easier because I had more contracts to add. But beginning was luck. Yeah, 100%. It's kind of gambling, right? 1K to 10K in a week, like trading futures is not possible for most people unless you get really lucky. Um, I've been like doing this for a long time, so I had a little bit of an upper hand. But again, there was definitely some luck involved. That's for sure. 10K to 20K has been a lot easier, man. I'm getting this account to 1 million one day. 1 million. I honestly, that's why I didn't think I'd be able to do it. I was like getting on here for fun, just hanging out, and then we smacked it. Absolutely smacked it. So you got lucky there. Fun in last stream. Good stuff, bro. Last stream, dude, yesterday was Power Hour sucked. Absolutely sucked. Where was this? This shit? Is it this shit? Yeah, this shit was terrible. Hopefully we get something today. Hopefully we get something today. No, I've been playing two. Hopefully it is the last one. Appreciate it, brother. Appreciate it. Welcome, 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 man. Might be the I might complete the challenge today, hopefully. That'd be pretty nice. I'd be very, very excited, dude. Next 20K to 50K, we're doubling size. Even though I shouldn't, I'm gonna do it anyways. You can't stop me. You can't stop me. You can't stop me. Not much, man. What's going on with you? What's going on with you? I mean, at this point, it's impossible for me to lose this account unless I just decide to bet it all on red or something. I recently forgot I had this account, to be honest, because I don't use NinjaTrader. That's why I started the 10K to 20K. Risk per trade, it depends on every single trade I take, but the risk is small because I'm scalping off of imbalances. So like on ES, like sometimes, like sometimes it's 2 points, sometimes it's 5 points, sometimes it's a little bit more. It really just depends on the setup itself. And I'll adjust my size. Maybe if it's too much, I'll jump down to one contract. But a lot of what I'm doing is discretionary because this is not part of my actual mechanical system that I trade in the morning. So that is important to know. A lot of it is just long. I mean, I've been looking at this, literally, I've been looking at this chart of ES and Q for like 7-8 years, man. Well, not actually, no. Probably like closer to 6 years because I started trading other shit the first 2 years. Yeah. In the morning I have like a mechanical system. That's my main source of income. Like that's what I do as a job every single day. I trade live on my Discord if y'all aren't from there. And it's a more of a mechanical approach, and it's kind of like, a little bit more patient. I'm not taking trades every single day. I'm still day trading, but I have a more mechanical approach that's very consistent, right? And it's not discretionary. Years to become consistent. Over 3 years, because I mean, consistent versus profitable is different because like I lost a lot of money at the start and I was consistent before I was profitable trying to make up what I lost. What up, Dork? What's up, brother? How's it going, man? Trying to wrap this challenge up. Wrap her up. Now we closed the week, only 2 trading days. We traded twice this week with 6K on like my actual account, which is not bad, right? It's a good start to the year. What's up? What y'all thinking about Power Hour, guys? What y'all thinking? Dead? Yeah, we're green, so we're chilling. We're chilling. Good start to the year. Red or green Power Hour? What you thinking, Dork? What you thinking, bro? I didn't cop in when that one was made, so like that like this would have already been like a decent scalp with the 90s, 85s, a nice 5-point scalp. I would have been already pretty nice, but I actually wasn't. I got on like literally like 310 or something like that. I don't know. So I do see that right now that we are respecting and holding. Like 88, 91 risk isn't bad. If I see a seller, like you can even start to see if you want to pop it up there. Yeah, I mean, if we don't make it today, like, yesterday was our first red day on this account. It was $100. Literally just $100. Don't make it today. I mean, the thing is, like, if Power Hour is dead like yesterday, there's not much I can do about that. Really not much I can do. $508 in Q. Ah, yes. Yeah, I see that. ES or the Qs? I like the Q soft. I mean, I do like the move down here. Is this the ES? Let's try it off this one. See if it can breaks the floor here. I made another one. There's a buy and balance at these 83. So realistically, we'd want it to break the 83s, right? Realistically, that's what we would want it to do. 320, okay. Yeah. For longs, I haven't personally seen it break the 91s, but I definitely see how the longs. I mean, longs have been coming into play all day today. This imbalance gets filled though. We can just easily get out. Hanging out above. Let's see if a buyer comes in. We're still hanging out in the imbalance here. Let's see. New contracts. I'm in 2. Right now, stop's kind of right above the imbalance here. How many points? Not many points actually of risk on this trade. It's not a bad trade. The risk is solid, even not in the imbalance here. I want to see it break the 83s, which is kind of right beneath this right here. We'll see what happens here. Hopefully that this Power Hour is not as dead as yesterday, man. That's all I'm really hoping for. We did have a nice range today, so we'll see. Volume wasn't, I mean, yesterday was just crazy, to be honest. Volatility wasn't as crazy today. Yeah, it was still pretty crazy, though, I agree. Yeah, we want this morning's action, man. That's what we want. Yeah, that's crazy. This is the kind of market you're going to excel in, which is really, really good. So much better than December. Actually, you're doing pretty good December, but like recently, dude, before that, yeah. I mean, keeping our stop is literally sitting above the wicks where that imbalance lies is not bad. It literally starts at the top of this candle here. It's all this. Killing it for the week, though. You are. Did get filled, so that just makes me lose confidence a little bit in this trade, but because the invalidation is like so close, basically off this right here, I'm okay with just chilling for a little bit. Sell off are at the 89s. That just got spoofed, so could be just a sign for us to get out. Let's see. Inval is like right above all those candles. I don't know. The bulls did go hard today. Didn't even care about that 4-hour supply, dude. Or the ES or the NQ didn't. So my stop is really going to be back at the sell imbalance. So it won't even be. It's not even above it. All these candles have been fucking making equal ass highs, dude. No shit's given on them at all. I definitely am like if I don't see like decent moves, I'm gonna wait for like that 350 action to come in and take advantage of that. Instead of trying to play in like this dead shit. Like we'll should be able to notice if it is gonna be like yesterday or not. Hopefully sooner than later. I want to see at least test those 83s. I might honestly, you could see a TP 83 and re-enter off the break. That'd be a really small target though. So that's something I don't like. That seller again is hopping into those 89s. Let's see if he spoofs himself again. Algo's going into work. Yeah, he gets spoofed right away. I think he's trying to bait. He's trying to bait. Not yet. The VIX has been pretty dead here the past couple minutes. I mean, not super dead like yesterday, but not crazy. Break the floor. I know you want to. Yeah, that lets us a strong level on the NQ for sure. And bounce those 92s as well. Damn. I mean, volume's picking up a tad bit, nothing crazy. Like a K more left on that candle, but not looking super good off that sell balance. Really wanted to have a fast move. Let's see this floor be respect. New low here. I'm going to confirm a little bit of a bearish sentiment, but obviously bulls have been going in all day. I would not mind a break of this level up here too. Break of that selling balance for longs. So the reversal button is there. That's why we reverse. Which one is risk on approach? Yeah, 89. The seller keeps getting spoofing, man. They're just trying to bait. He's there again. Same size every time. Every time. There's a buyer at the 508 on NQ as well. Sitting there. Yep, spoofed again. This guy's trying to bait somebody. Probably not even worth sitting in this, dude. Time is at 3:26. One more selling balance, maybe? Maybe one more? you can't really know what it's for, right? It's I mean, some people think it's front running. Like if you like do some research on algos, that's my theory is they use it to front a version of front running to take really quick scalps, like fucking ticks. That's what I would have to guess, but some people think this to fake out retail traders. It just doesn't really make any sense because, like, I mean, we're so small compared to like the actual money in the market. Like, I don't really think it's for that. I think it's for the algos, if I had to guess. It would make no sense if it was for retail traders. Because I mean, retail traders only, they can only make like less than 3%, and the percent of those 3% that is looking at that kind of data is a lot less. What's up, brother? Yeah, this floor is being respected pretty well here, guys. Mm. Let's hop out here, and then if it comes back down and breaks and they're selling balance, we'll just get in again. I don't want to just sit in this while it goes back and forth. Like, it's just so dumb. I want to see some movements. I'm not going to get caught up like yesterday. See, if it breaks the selling bounce at the top, we can take that too. It's so slow, dude. It's so slow. Maybe it'll pick up here soon. Let's see. Breaking the top here with the buying bounce also caused my to want to take a long. What's up, Mr. Bot? But at the moment, no point really in anything right now. In like a fucking 2-point range. Even the NQ doesn't look that good. We need that 350 action. Yo. Let's see, hitting that, about to hit the selling balance here. We'll see if it wants to break this shit out. Make a buyer into that and it breaks it. It looks pretty good. So for execution, I'm on the 5-minute on the footprint chart. That's what we roll with. That's what we roll with. Yeah. See some of the real names. Who texted me? All right. Nice. MQ, nice 10-point there. So we'll see. I mean, aggressive break of this up here into like these highs at least could be a good move. So right now, this is Ninja Trader. Y'all need to get on a futures broker if y'all want to trade a real account though. Margin requirement, the difference in margin requirements from my broker and this is insane. Still watching for the same shit here. There's a 330. Damn, someone came in heavy at 330. So right around where our entry was. Trying to fake us out. What's going on? Pretty big seller here. That came in for this average volume. Settings. There's if you actually go into the Discord, like there's a video that goes over the settings I have on Quant Tower for my footprint charts. So it's in there like the live recording videos. See that big seller was right at the bottom wick of this candle. He instantly gets rejected. Yeah, for sure. Go with. I mean, I think you can get it pretty similar to a Trade of 8 or not Trade of 8. Trading View. Didn't Q hold? No, and Q didn't even hold the imbalance there. How much range are we gonna have? It's looking pretty familiar, guys. It's looking pretty familiar. I don't know about this. I'm not trying to jinx it, but it's looking familiar. Actually, I am trying to jinx it. Maybe not though. Here, let's see if it gives me another entry. Since it's only 330, like if it starts selling off and without the like abnormal imbalances or anything like that from the sellers, I'm not gonna take it. But I know at 350, time comes, it will probably give me something. And there's a buy imbalance right at the 83, so I mean I don't want to take anything too close to that. Do a quick scalp into the 83s for like 3 points and do the break again. That'd be nice. All right, sellers. They want to step in. Let's see. Are they going to be the ones who take control here today for the power hour? No? Damn, what the hell? All right, we're getting some people are coming up. Volume is great. Volume picked up. People are stepping into play. They're ready to bag. A lot of buyers stepped up here. Right at the floor. Not getting rewarded though. They ain't getting rewarded. Interesting candle, man. Most of this is some buying because of what just happened. That little quick flick up and they didn't get rewarded right away. Still looks like it's really trying to make this move down. Especially on the Qs right there. There's some room to run if it sells off. It could be. I mean, it's still only 333, so. And Q didn't make any sell side reaction too. And there's an imbalance to the buy side that we're about to pump into right now. I think I'd rather watch that break. It didn't look that good yet. Yeah, if we go above that buyer at 88, it's going to keep going up. We took like a, what was that, point? Literally a 1 point loss there. First trade. Yeah, it's literally at that 88 level now. That buyer was meant. Let's see if he sells. He pumps himself back up. 1,000 total delta. The volume has just picked up a lot from that last candle. VIX is trying to make itself up as well. There's a gap though that's filling right now. Anything in the Qs either? Nah, dude. I have it on my other platforms. I need the footprint chart, Thinkorswim, your Bookmap, whatever else you're looking at. You can even use like this footprint chart from like 20K to, or 5K to 20K. Gonna pause it on that. Didn't go above that buyer 88. I actually started trading when I was 14. Like in high school, bro. It's my first ever trade placed on Robinhood. Still remember it. I made 40 bucks. Ever since then, I was hooked. 'Cause I used to work at Chick-fil-A back then. I was like, dude, 40 bucks is how much I make in like an 8-hour shift, dude. They were paying me shit. I was like, I made that shit in like 5 minutes. And then I proceeded to blow the 6 figures worth of money in the next couple coming years. Lots of money was blown because I didn't have prop firms, bro, when I was doing this shit. So I was losing a lot of my own money, like a lot. And I got really like, dude, I got lucky as fuck at some point. Like my first like year in, dude, I turned $4,000 into like 32K. Then it went up to like 106K, something like that. And then I lost it all in the span of like 2 days. Cause I was straight gambling though. Like I remember I was playing like those 0 to 2E like SPY options. There was like on Friday, but there's also like red folder news. And bro, I fucking flipped. I'm looking for us to move out of this range, to be honest. Didn't sellers really failed right here. It's a pretty shitty range. I'm looking for some abnormal order to jump in the market so I can see if I can follow them. Bro, if y'all are ever fucking just bored, look at those SPY 0 to 2 contracts when like Friday market's about to close. And I don't know if it was FOMC. There's something at the end of the day. So it was like some Jerome Powell type of shit. And like I saw like 1 cent contracts that were 1 cent jump to $1. Seconds. Mm-mm-mm. I don't recommend anybody do that. Don't fuck with those. Fucking impossible. I got crazy lucky. But I did lose it all afterwards, so I mean it doesn't really matter at the end of the day. Gives you that false sense of confidence, you know. But if you are bored though, watch the contracts. They go crazy. Like that's a straight 100x. You buy like 1 cent to it in seconds. Yeah, dude, that seller might have faked them out, huh? Breaks up this buying balance or selling balance at the top. We're taking this long. I want to see a break at the top of this range with some strength. Could see them step up into play. Or we could sit in this chop till fucking the rest of the day. Now, wouldn't that be awesome? Wouldn't that be awesome? I'm not even seeing much in the Qs at all either. Qs is fucking much more dead than ES right now. I think Q has been difficult to catch for me, man. It's been way too crazy. Let's talk about earlier today and yesterday. Yeah. He's the guy isn't there. He actually moved his offers up to like the 92s. 92s, 93s. Mm-hmm. How'd y'all start the year off though? Hopefully, oh, it's good to start off green, man. Set the tone. Keep size small if you're scared. Yeah, the dude ain't there no more. What you got for me? Very neutral candle here. Neutral delta. Volume just got like it went from 20K to 5K, 20K to 7K, and like what the fuck? What is this randomness, bro? Breaking your own trading rules. Those are the worst, dude. I hate doing that even more than fucking losing money because it's like it's all you, right? It's your fault. I mean, even if you lose and you follow your system, it's not really a loss, right? You just following your shit. But if you break your rules, bro, like that's personal. That shit would hurt. Like losing money, following your rules, doesn't matter. Losing money, breaking your rules, that shit hurts. Hurts deep down. Yeah. And it's like the simple ass rules that really make the whole like the biggest difference, man. Like daily loss limit, daily trade limit, like shit that's so easy in hindsight, but like hardest shit to follow. Except, I mean, I obviously hang out with a lot of people who trade, especially in the Discord, and like, dude, they would be so fucking rich if they just followed a simple daily loss limit rule. Like, they would be fucking banking. No names. There's a lot. I mean, there's actually a good bit of people, man, because like there's a lot of y'all are so good at winning. You're so good at like fucking consistently winning, but like there's like a day that just blows everything. You fucking make bank. Oh yeah, oh yeah. He's still fairly new, so I mean that's the thing. A lot of them are like them, or they're so fucking good at winning, right? But once you get through a drawdown, once you actually like survive like a losing streak, get through a drawdown, and you don't blow your progress, like it's a normal drawdown, which just looks like an uptrend, it gives you more confidence to keep going, right? So figuring out the winning part, that part has become simple, but like trying to survive drawdown, not break your rules because like man, you can go on streaks of what weeks, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, just making money, and then next week you lose it all, everything. No daily loss limit rule. You have them in place, but you just don't follow them. I like the lockout thing, the lockout feature. Hopefully that should help you guys. That these firms give you. Help you guys chill out. Sizing down is great. That's one of my personal rules. Like if I have a red week, I size down every single time after a red week. It's just literally a personal thing. Like I'll jump from like 10 contracts to like 6, 5, even like less than that. Yeah, bro, it's looking very similar to yesterday, huh? 7 minutes till 350. Nah, it's about to just fucking drop 100 points. It's gonna do it. Come on. It's gonna do it. What's up with this dead power hour PA? I think everything is just coming out off the open. Big seller here. Let's see. Trading wasn't for them. Oh, in real life all the time, dude. That's like the number one question or two questions you get, really. It's like, A, can you teach me? Or B, if I give you X amount of money, how much money can you make me? And I don't like trading for people. I manage like my family members like long-term portfolio, but because it's easy for me because I mean I went to school for that shit. But day trading other people's money is just not something I'll ever do. And then when they ask me if I can teach them, I'm like I explain it to them that yeah, you probably don't want to do this. I explain the whole process, and if they look at it like a college degree, then maybe I could help you out. But most of them, after as soon as I say like yeah, I mean it's gonna be like a college degree type of scenario, like or it's gonna take that long, and then usually they just get discouraged, and that's all it takes. Like the learning aspect's great, and then you also need a lot of chart time, just literally just a lot of just time staring at the charts, which is and like seriously doing it, like waking up early, making a plan, following the plan, doing that over and over and over and over again. Nah, I don't need a trade for him. His long-term portfolio is crazy. He just day trades for fun, and he's pretty good at it. Let's see. And he trades options, and I understand why. It's definitely a strategy thing, Maiko, and it depends. Like if you're playing prop firms, for example, it's different. He doesn't need like he with his long-term plays that he runs, like that's like he could live off of that. He doesn't need a day trade. And like same thing with me now. Like it with dividends, leaps, like these long-term calendar spreads, everything that I have running in the background, I don't need money from day trading. It's a great like it's an awesome boost of income for sure. And I kind of like, giving myself that excuse, okay, I'm okay with dropping money and buying just fancy things because of that. Um and the only reason I do it a lot is because I really enjoy it. Like it's fulfilling. It's like a purpose type of thing, right? It gives you purpose, which not many other things do. And Q, it's the same thing, man. It's the same thing. I mean, I'm not gonna like it's moving down here, but it's been giving us these wicks here over and over. Unless I see a strong break here, abnormal sellers, even like imbalance, just divergence of offers hitting the bid, like that'll make me want to take it. But like it's very similar to yesterday. I'm trying to learn from our mistakes here. and not just fucking get faked out by these wicks and wait for it. But same thing as yesterday. About 4 minutes, 350 is going to come into play. Yeah, we're on the 5 minute time frame here. Yeah, dividends are great. Yeah, obviously for it to be significant, you have to look at the dividends that pay quarterly. Usually those are my favorite ones. Tesla's good. I've been holding some Tesla for actually Tesla paid me bank last year, and then I got in again, gave me back some more money today. Back at 409, like recovered heavy. Nvidia is also doing great. The only two things I'm holding long term are Nvidia and Tesla. Like when it comes to option contracts, they are both hedged. And then usually, because I sold out a lot of our like longer term lead plays yesterday or last year with you guys because everything hit so early. It was set to expire this year, but everything went crazy last year at all-time highs. I cashed out of so many long term plays that I was in. So I'm basically sitting on a lot of cash. So I'm ready to kind of wait for this correction and hop into a lot more. Kind of what we did with Tesla. We did with Nvidia didn't even correct that much, but I think Tesla's a great company. I think it's going to see a great year in 2025. It's honestly controversial because of, let's wait here and see if it breaks the buying balance. Controversial because a lot of the things Trump wants to implement into this new his new system when he becomes president will actually affect Tesla negatively. But him and Elon Musk are like fucking buddies, so who knows if that's actually gonna happen. Yeah, I'm waiting for those 147s on Nvidia here. Come on, 350 about to hit me with that selling balance or what? Decent sellers here and big sell offers, especially like the 85s coming in through. Let's see if we get that break we want here. About a minute 30 left. Yeah, I didn't want to do it right into the sell imbalance or buy imbalance that we're hitting right now. You might honestly fill it. At least we'll break out of the range. We'll see if it holds. Yeah, NQ did make one. I missed the NQ one there. Maybe ES will give me one too. About a minute left till 350 comes in. This is the floor too. We could see it hold. NQ don't have it though. Might have just missed this shit, dude. It's not gonna give me anything. The reasoning for entry. Oh, I wish I took the NQ there. Not fast enough. Off of that rip. What's up, brother? Ain't fast enough. I will watch it break this floor. There are like 30 seconds left. We're gonna get a sell balance, break the floor. We're gonna do it. We're doing it. No, we took like a point loss on one trade in this chop. We're waiting for it. It just picked up pretty big. Looking to see if we can take this short, if it's gonna give us a decent move. But we need 1.38K today. That's probably later. They didn't fill that buying balance, which is a thing here. 5 seconds here. Let's see what happens. Maybe the buyers come in, dude. Maybe the buyers come in. Let's see what they want. Big seller on ES sitting right at the 85s though. Might get spoofed, but we can actually see if it does or not in real time. Dude does not sleep. Like we want one of those big continuation moves, man. The offer's still sitting at the 85, so 350. Let's get crazy volume here. Woodsy don't need sleep, bro. Come on. What is this? Y'all know that. And definitely down on it breaking this floor maybe though. NQ had an entry there. Volume's picking up on the bottom of the candle. Last candle had a lot of sellers. The decent selling pressure, aggressive selling pressure coming in. That's a big seller. Struggling though. Why are you struggling? Decently big seller again. This aggressive seller's hitting this 81.50 bro again. So yeah, the seller got spooked to the 85s, just now canceled his offer. Decent size motherfucker as well. Room for buyers. That would be a more profitable play, I think, for sure. Buying balance here still not getting filled. And that guy got spoofed. Why did I get out? Because I'm scalping. I got out. It would have stopped me out anyways. Well, actually, the stop was like kind of right above. I'm really scalping like really, really fast moves. I'm not trying to hold on that long. And I was scared it would chop around like yesterday, but it didn't. Definitely would have paid out, but it was a point. I took a point loss, basically break even on that. Yes, sir. Not like I'm trying to hit a home run, but I need one of those big moves is what I'm trying to catch. I need one of those big moves, man. Those quick moves. I mean, I could use this buy and balance though as something as well. Take a sell off of it and it comes back and fills it up. We're just out. Aggressive. I mean, we keep seeing aggressive sellers hit this 81 level. Big seller at these 495s and then Q now. Just trying at this floor, man. It really is trying. The seller and Q is getting moved around. It gets spoofed. Same as the ES here. Full port. I'm gonna do the full account on a one play. Still a decent bit of sellers on this candle. Like the delta's still the same as the other one. Like this sellers are getting absorbed down there though. There's a buyer come in. Balance was made. I will try. We'll try a buy here. If it comes back below the sell amounts, we'll get out really quickly and just mark and just reverse. We'll reverse the position. If it goes back below this buy and balance. Buy and balance came up, instantly filled. I like the sell absorption though. Below the imbalance, we'll get out. All the sellers got spoofed up here, so it's clearing out ways for these buyers to roll. Let's see. He is. He's like full port, full port. Everybody full port. Above the imbalance now. I just don't want it to chop, man. Like make a new fucking range here. Like I don't want that. Come on, buyers. Let's pick it up. Pick it up in the game. Give me some more volume. I need more volume here. Need more prints. Give me some more prints. So there's a sell and balance 91s, which is basically the top of that past consolidation. Shy guy. I'll have to check DMs at some point. I guess it's so crowded. Try. Incorrectly spells his name. Nah, that's not it. You don't want to hold this shit too long, dude. Well, actually, the buy and bounce is gonna be like right there. But I want it to hold. Give me some volume. $357, dude. Still nothing. This is crazy, bro. They ever message you? They do not. I have not gotten a message from one of them. It wouldn't make too much sense though. These guys are professional scammers, bro. They're in the cut. They know what's up. Come on. Buyers, 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 buyers. No buyers. Q seeing some sellers come in too. Again, pretty slow for this power hour session again. Not much aggressive buyers yet either. It's like 200 total. Volume is not that good either. And Q seeing some sellers. Jesus Christ. And Q seeing some waves here. Another stealing up here. It's respecting. Like buyers are hitting like what, this 86, 87 now? Nothing. I don't know, man. It's too slow for power hour, dude, for my liking. Should have shot up 100 points by now. There's need more volume at the 87s. Like the wick is pretty dead here. Just get a big buyer. One big buyer, please. Too erratic, dude. I don't know what the hell it wants to do here. Like sellers are stacking up here. This candle is like a negative delta and it's so fucking green. It's 359, that's why. Honestly, bro. Protect that shit. Fuck that. About 30 seconds left in the stock market will actually close. There's that sell and bounce. We're about to hit at these 90s, guys. Yeah, I have to push up there with a lot of volume to break this top here. Let's see. Need that volume. Go all the way. Rip me all the way. So many orders coming in. So many. That volume in the imbalance there. I'm going to take a trim there just because sell and bounce here. Got hit. Not a trim, just literally getting out. Dead volume. If it comes back and breaks it, we'll get back in, dude. This shit is like the range is not the best. Still okay with these longs. But literally had no reason for me to try to hold it on for longer after I did some shit like that. Another shitty power hour action, bro. I have like 10 more minutes and the market's gonna die. NQ would have been much better. For some reason, the imbalance. Oh, actually, not really. NQ is still pretty fucking dead. Like, I'll take the longs again if you just give me something. No, NQ is still pretty slow. They're both super slow right now. It's like the same thing as yesterday. We need power hour back. 2K positive delta on this candle, though. It's a pretty shit candle. We were doing good. Wick came in and just destroyed us. NQ is surprisingly flat as well. NQ would have paid out a little bit better. There's a buy and bounce out there. Yeah, we made a little bit back, but Nothing crazy. Q wants to give us a lick, maybe. Let's see. Usually the volume will die out in like the next 10 minutes here. There's like such dead volume and it pumped up here that I did not, it wasn't gonna break like that. We really needed a break of this, but I was like, it comes in with dead volume, it's not gonna break, which is exactly what it did. Exactly what she did. No more offers on the Qs. Yeah, I guess close. Nvidia closed at 144. Tesla 410. Let's go, bro. Tesla's back in the game. That's what I wanted to see. Fucking boring power hour again. I thought power hour was always crazy. Hmm. No. Not so power hour, bro. Exactly. Shit hour. Absolutely shit hour. Keep back at that buy imbalance here. Has it slowed down significantly? Yeah, it has. It's slowed down a lot. Take care, brother. Have a good one. Yeah, have a good one. I'm watching a queue back at this floor here because we are seeing some sellers hop up. It was right into that buy side though. Maybe one more imbalance on this way down for us to fill. Good stuff, brother. Have a good weekend. Enjoy the weekend. Back in action, back to work Monday. And bro, it has lunchtime looking more like fucking power hour, dude. Maybe we start trading lunchtime. What the fuck's wrong with this shit? I'm not eating no more lunch. We're just gonna come do this challenge. No more lunch. 72K volume in that closing candle. Yes. And this is unfortunately the range we had to play in, like on both sides. Getting respected, very balanced. Buyers and sellers love where we currently are at. That's why I never like playing breakouts, and that's why I'm using like the abnormal orders as confirmation. Without a retest, that is. So it's like every time, like a lot of times it just wicks out and I don't see the divergence, and like sellers or buyers, I just don't even take it. Because if you're in a balanced range, like the most probable thing of happening is us to continue in the range. No matter how many times we wake up or down, like the most probable will always be for us to continue in the range. Yeah. The market fucking took back everything it gave yesterday. So that's something. Damn. Took it all back. And shit is back to being dead. You can kind of tell, right? Let's see. Let's pay attention here to the book map. Got that crazy shit now. Just small offers coming in and out. One big seller sitting at these 510s. All right, we got ES. Same shit. Crazy power. Sometimes power hour is like this though. Friday did not want the smoke, dude. At least we made back that $100 we gave yesterday. They really don't, dude. It doesn't want us to make money. Like, which is strange. I mean, the past like couple power hours before we're doing this challenge was fucking awesome. The ranges, dude, the moves. Now it's all during the morning time. Now we're literally still sitting, or we're now 1.2K away. 1.2K away. Gotta go to 50K. I'm full porting. Yeah, this is volume. Wait for this candle to close. I'll show you the difference in volume here. We're gonna walk out. Yeah, 100%, man. And the only thing that would change, like, for like my mechanical based strategy, would just be the average numbers we're looking at, whether it's volume, right? Delta, anything like that. You can definitely do it, but just be used, like, get chart time during that session time, right? And don't really look at anything else. Live, I mean, obviously you have to pay attention to the rest of the market, but contracts on this account I'm doing 2. This challenge account, dude. For the run K to 10K, we hit a home run and then we got up to like 4K, and I think, how many was it? That was at 5 contracts. I think I was swinging 5 after I got to 4K. I think so, or I think it was even more. I added in a bunch. I think at some point I got up to more. So I could have got liquidated like that. Now I don't trade overnight session. Don't need to. I mean, the whole purpose, I mean, obviously trading is for the money, but the big thing is also the freedom. So, I mean, I always suggest you pick like a time frame and just let that be your time frame. If you don't see a setup or you lose money, like, don't look at other time frames. Just, for me, that helped a lot. 'Cause, I mean, sometimes I got to wake up at 8 and I'd be trading till like fucking like market close, literally. And at that point, I'm like, dude, I might as well just get a 9 to 5 job. You can definitely trade overnight. I mean, obviously, like, you have the Asian session, London session. You won't get like much movement, but you can still trade it. Like, London session isn't that bad. If y'all want to trade overnight, like Asian session, like gold is really good. It really just depends. It's personal. So some people have 9 to 5 jobs and they can't trade. So my second job I had is actually an office job, and it was fucking easy as shit. I was making like 30 grand a year doing some like fucking, what was it, like it was some sort of like accounting, but it was like, it's accounting for like a proprietary firm. It was weird accounting, to be honest. But it was, I had a computer in front of me when the market opened, so I was able to trade. I wasn't doing much of my work though. It got done, but not in the time it should have gotten done. But it's like, you're blessed if you can trade during your 9 to 5. Like, I got to that point and it was really nice. Take care, brother. Yeah, shit is dead. Look at the comparison here in volume, right? I mean, it could be some moves, but you go from 70K, 20K, 4K, and now we're done. So this was our power hour session right here. Whack. Whack. We had one buy imbalance, got hit, which kind of brought us back up, and then we took sell imbalance here that got stopped. Not much to do in this market. And the thing that works great, if you watch the first couple videos, first couple lives of this, is like when the market's going during power hour, like that's when this strategy really, really excels. That's when it excels. See, I wanted that early morning action today, but nope, didn't have it. Yeah, I went to college, man. My goal was to be like work for a hedge fund, be a hedge fund manager. I actually got to experience a proprietary firm. I'm not sure if you know what that is, but they do very high frequency trades, and they don't actually even look at charts, but they look at just price. And I'm not sure if you consider that order flow data. They have different sort of data providers, I think, like, where they see everything, but they were looking at price and just orders coming out of the market and making crazy amount of money a day, like 6 figures a day. Obviously, there's like a whole skyscraper full of them, but I was blessed to see that, because then I saw, like, okay, like you can actually make money by looking, like, by trading. Just, even though they weren't looking at charts, they were still trading. That was my internship. So I got a degree in finance and economics. Fucking stupid. I didn't really learn anything useful. Even like the jobs I had when I was like 3 years into trading. Tick charts, not familiar with them. Not familiar. I didn't learn anything useful from college, to be honest. I didn't really pay attention much or go to class, but so I probably would have. I don't think any of it would have been useful though, for me personally. Just useless, yeah. Finance was okay. Like, I don't know. I feel like yeah, cause I could have saved a lot of time just by learning the shit I needed to know on my own and just fuck like because you know, your first couple classes in college, bro, like you learn about fucking history, English. Like, dude, I've been speaking English my whole life, bro. Why the fuck do I have to take English? It's so stupid. And you learn all this bullshit. That's just a waste of time. Like, if I'm going to college to become like an accountant, just fucking, I just want to learn about accounting. Why do I gotta do all this dumb shit? What's up, brother? Market's dead. We're gonna call it there. Another shitty power hour, bro. Maybe next week I'll come back up and we can finish this shit. And we can finish it. But without further ado, we're gonna wrap it up, guys. Appreciate y'all being here. I'll see y'all later. See y'all later. Take care.